Tam się łatwo zaczęło. A spesa koloniki, tylko fajnie. Spesa. Chodź. Wyjdź.
Oh, bloody.
You can stand up if you want, just to see what it is.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, the 3 girls were hunting.
I never saw wild dogs like with a place in the wild. Look how fast they are.
Feet either shine above them or
Wow, hey? The 3 of them. Put that down.
Unbelievable.
See how they use each other to get chunks off? Okay, they're gonna chow down and I think rest here.
yeah. This is really good.